How to find removed business integrations on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find removed business integrations on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down until you find settings, and here just go down again until you find this one, business integrations, and then click remove it. And here you can find the removed business integrations on Facebook Lite, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.